Hey everyone, today let's fix a problem you might have run into. How to convert TS files to MP4 fast and without losing quality. Let's get into it. TS stands for transport stream. It's used for things like live TV or streaming because it's reliable. But here's the issue. TS files often don't work on your PC, phone, tablet, or editing apps. That's why MP4 is better. Plays everywhere and is easy to edit. I'll show you how to convert TS to MP4 using WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro. It's quick, user-friendly, and you can even convert tons of files at once. Oh, and there's a free trial. Links in the description. First, download and install the software. Open it, click Converter, then drag in your TS files. Got a whole folder? Just click Add Folder. It'll load everything in seconds. Next, open the Output Format menu. Select MP4 under Video. You'll see options like H.264, which works everywhere, or H.265, which saves space. So choose what you need. Want to change resolution or bitrate? Click Parameter Settings and change them as needed. But you don't have to because the default settings work great for most cases. Pick where to save it, then hit Run. If your computer supports hardware acceleration, this'll go super fast, like 30 times faster. And that's it. Your TS files are now MP4s. Edit them, share them, play them anywhere. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more simple guides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.